Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's quick video, I'm going to be explaining to you where do the dividend payments go in Trading 212 application. So when a company pays a dividend, Trading 212 automatically credits the payment to your account on the payments date. If you own the stock outside of the pie, the dividend is added to your free funds, which you can use in order to buy more stocks, more ETFs, or you can withdraw it to your bank account. For example, let's say if you own the Apple shares and you receive a 12 pounds dividend, that particular 12 pound will appear in your available cash balance. Now, in order to see the payment details, simply open your Trading 212 application. Now, over here, you just have to tap on the option of Pi, or you can also tap on the option of cash. Over here, you can select the currency and you can see the history. You can also tap on the option of investments, and from here you can also see the history. So here you will find all of the transactions including the dividend payments. So you can tap on the dividends entry in order to view the details such as the company name, the payment amount, the payment date, and any of the withholding tax that may have been deducted before the money reached to your account. Now if your stock or the ETF is held inside the pie, the dividends doesn't go to your normal refunds. Instead it's added to your pie cash. So if this type of auto invest option is turned on, Trading 212 is going to automatically use that money during the next auto invest cycle, or when enough cash has accumulated to buy the additional fractional shares according to your pie's allocation. So once your dividend reaches to your account, you can leave it as cash, or you can use it in order to buy another investment, or you can also withdraw it if it is in your available balance. Many of the long-term investors choose to reinvest their dividends because buying additional shares can help grow their portfolio over time through the compounding. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.